Okay, so now that we have some pages set up, and the pages can be found over here to the left in the navigation area, navigation bar. Let's say that you're not happy with the ordering of the pages. What you're going to do, mucho buenos, is we're going to go up here to this gear icon. We're going to go down to Edit Site Layout. You're going to move your cursor to the sidebar and click on Navigation. This opens up this menu, and of course up here at the top you can decide not to display this. All you do as far as moving the pages around is just click on one to highlight it, click the navigation buttons to move it up and down, and you're done. However, normally Google Sites will order these alphabetically. As a matter of fact, I can just click this and click OK and close, and you can see now that my pages are ordered alphabetically instead of being ordered chronologically. So now that they're alphabetical, I'm going to go back to the again, page action button, go down to Edit Site Layout. I'm going to click on Navigation. I will unclick the automatically organize my navigation, and that reinstates the order that I put these into yesterday. If you want to add another page, sometimes they're hidden. Click Add Another Page, and you're going to go down and identify the page that you want to add, Padlet Embed for example. Click OK, and then move it to where you want it. Notice I have 2 Padlet embeds now. Click on the trash can, done. Also, you can simply add a link to another URL. So what you can turn Google Sites into is a sort of self-contained lesson where kids will navigate from one page to the next. Let's say you're moving in increasing complexity in some sort of idea, some sort of historical timeline or something. And then the last one is to kick them out to a particular website that you want them to look at, or maybe your school's website where you're going to store your assessment. That's where you would add that particular URL. So we're going to click OK. Scroll down a little bit. If I click on this button, it allows me to move the sidebar around, increase the size of it. If I click the plus, you can add all of this stuff: site owners, page authors, countdown, all kinds of stuff, all kinds of noise. It's a really nice tool to have this over here. Now I know that you can also, let me click on horizontal navigation. What Edit Site Layout also does is it allows you to add headers and footers and all that stuff. If you click on horizontal navigation, all of the items that you have down here can also be stored up here, but you're gonna, I believe that you're gonna have to add them as well. Notice how messy this looks. The spacing's kind of crazy.
Come on.
Makes the page all ugly and stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and unclick this. And you can customize the pixel width and length and all that, but I'm going to stick with the theme default. And with Google, there's almost always several ways to do the same thing. So another way to move pages around is to go back to this Open More Actions menu, Manage Site. We're going to go to Pages, and here you can move pages around as well. So if I want to take this Padlet Embed gadget and make it a sub-page to embedding Twitter chats, I simply click and drag and it becomes a sub-page. Now if I want to make the Padlet Embed page go back to the first level, I'll click, drag it up to the top here, let go, and it gets moved back to the first level of pages.